Next today, as well as all of these that are on deck, we have another in my Nike ID pony hair group. These are the Bien Perros. More like just a big dog. Cats and dogs pack is what I started out with. Grew up in Panama. And yes, I know this means well dog. I was told that many times. Spent 10, 12 years in Panama. Down there we did things a little bit different. I know we ought to be saying buen Perro. This goes back to my childhood days, my teenage years. Same with the Malgato. I'll explain that when they arrive. I do know how to conjugate properly, but at the same time, there is a lot of street slang that goes on in different places around the world. Not everything has to be a Castilian-based, true, proper Spanish, just like it doesn't have to be the King's English. Bien Perro, and all of my guys that know me from the teenage years understand what this is. It's a good dog. The start of a series that wound up with 9 shoes by the time it was all said and done with pony hair. The little Bow Wows over there, Marissa's pair, staying with the pack. On mine, starting out, Gum Sole. Had to do it. Pony hair over the entire shoe and the midsole. Black leather, we could not put pony hair on the heel caps. That's the only spot that we were not allowed to use it. Thus the only spot that does not have it. My friends who know me know my affinity for pony hair setups. And it was real easy to try to use every bit of material that they had for Nike this month. After all, I did 9. So far, I've done 2 ostrich this month. So far. Nike IDs, Dalmatian. Strings are sail. Sort of an off-white. I think that adds to the overall fit of these Dalmatians. And I'm very happy so far with the way that these are turning out. The Voodoo Tigers are sick. We'll get those on the table shortly. As always, you can find me at samcolt12.com, Google+, Instagram, and Vidi. Reeboks, cows, Bow Wows, the Voodoo Tigers, and plenty of Supremes to go along with these Bien Perros. Perro. Aquí.